everyone, it's Jacob here from the Life Room's Kitchen, and today we're going to be making no-bake flapjacks. And if you don't know what no-bake means, it means you don't have to cook this one. So let's get cooking. Okay, so I've got my dad with me.
So I'll introduce what the ingredients are. So what we've got is some butter and golden syrup in a pan. We've used demerara sugar, but it's better to use soft brown sugar. And we've got some oats, basic oats, yeah, dead simple. So Jacob, can you tip that brown sugar in first? That's it, just tip it straight in. Oh, careful. That's it. Oh, you hear that boiling up. So what we want to do is basically we want to dissolve all the sugar in there. So the idea is that we haven't got any granules, so it absorbs all the butter. Now, the reason why this is a no-bake one, Jacob Muldowney, it's because the great thing about it is we're going to cook the oats in the pan, so that when we tip it out into the mould, it means that it doesn't need any further cooking. I actually learnt this when we were on exercise in the army, you see. So a no-bake flapjacks. Okay. So if you want to pass me the oats now and tip them straight in, just be careful when you do it. That's it. That's it, tip them straight in there, great stuff. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stir that in, and if you watch, it starts to absorb. Can you tip it over there? And it starts to absorb that, oats absorb it all, you see. So it absorbs all that mixture. And what we're going to do is we're just going to keep it on the pan. Now, we're not browning it as such, we're just allowing it to heat slowly. We're just going to keep stirring that. It smells really nice. Now, you can use maple syrup with this and to give it a bit more of a woody flavour, but I like it with golden syrup as well. Now if at this stage, now all the recipe and ingredients and everything are going to be written in the comments below, but if you get to the point where you feel it could use a little bit more butter, a little bit more, you can tell it needs to be tacky and sticky, but it shouldn't be dry at all. So if you need to add any moisture, that's what you do, you add the golden syrup and the butter. So if you have a look, mate, I think, just have a little peek over for me. Now this looks to me like it's at the right consistency, it's warmed enough. Now the great thing is you can eat oats quite raw anyway, so it is okay to eat in this stage. But so if you think about it, when you have your porridge in the morning, you have that. You don't exactly wait till it's boiling hot, it can be done a bit raw. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn that off. Okay, and then what I want you to do, mate, is you've got to be really careful with this now. We're going to do this in these little cupcake molds, and all I want you to do is, if you go and grab me a spoon dead quick, and then what you're going to do is you're going to spoon the mixture out into these molds. When you do it, so spoon some out. You need to just pour that straight in. It don't matter if there's too much. And then I want you to squash it with the back as hard as you can. Squash it in there. Look at that. Now the great thing about these is you could top them with chocolate and stuff like that. So there's plenty of options with it. And if you wanted to, similar to the Rocky Road recipe, you could actually add some sultanas and things like that in there. And they're a great snack as well. That's it. You're doing an amazing job there, bud. So let's try and use as much of the mixture as you can. Do you want me to? We'll do a bit of a teamwork. I'll get. Come on in. Let's see how we go. Now the reason why I've done them in these is just to show you the difference. You could do this in just a really big tray if you want. Just keep going, because what we're going to do is we'll pat them right down, mate, so they'll be fine. That's it. Now what we'll do, just a little bit more in a couple of them, and then if you can use your spoon's a bit better for squashing than mine, so I'll let you do the squashing. I'll move this out your way. And then if you can focus on the squashing, that's it. Try and neaten them all off. And then all we're going to do with these is allow them to sit and set in the fridge. And once they set, they're ready to cut up.
So this is our finished flapjack. Should we give it a try?
Let's give it a go. What do you think?
Really nice.
What?
Really nice.
I hope you enjoyed that one. I know we did. Please go online, have a look at all our other videos that are out there. Take care and we'll speak soon.
Bye.